7734 to Control. We've reached level 376. Have you located the source of the malfunction?
Central computer has located a fault at the XP71 processor at that junction. Fix the unit before it goes critical, and try not to fall down the shaft.
Not when I've got my lucky electro gripper.
Doesn't look that lucky to me. So, where's this unit we're supposed to fix? Testing the primary sequence now.
This baby's busted, all right. I think it's the tubular fusion coupling.
Could be the binary proto-mat inverter.
Could be.
Attention, attention. The station is under attack by rebel fighters. All crews to battle stations.
Do we have battle stations?
I don't know. Maybe we get to blast some rebel scum. 7734 to Control. Where do we report for battle stations?
7734, be advised neither of you is qualified to operate any weapons or emergency equipment. Your orders are to fix that drink droid.
But the rebel scum.
Control out.
Scrack. Double scrack.
The bilabial trans extractor?
Yeah, it's right here.
Try it now.
Genius!
No, you're the genius.
You're the genius.
No, you're the genius.
You're the genius.
No, you're the genius.
Look at you, you genius.
No, you're the genius.
No, you're the genius.